In this video, we'll show you how to create a contract in the vendor portal. A contract defines a long-term agreement between a company and a vendor for specific products, quantities, and terms. Let's start with the header section. Select the vendor from the list. Choose the contract period. Select the default commitment, which represents the agreed commitment along with other necessary details. Now, let's move to the line items section. Select the product or service to be included in the contract. Fill in the quantity, price, and any other required details. You can add multiple items as needed. If applicable, apply discounts or taxes. Once all information is entered, click Save to create the contract. Upon saving, a purchase order is automatically generated based on the contract. If needed, you can also create an addendum contract by going to the View Contract section to update or extend the agreement later. And that's it. Your contract is now successfully created. Thanks for watching.